In the book of Genesis, we see a powerful truth. God spoke the world into existence. With just a few words, the entire cosmos was set into motion, a testament to the incredible power of divine speech. "Let there be light," he said, and light blazed forth. This simple command brought forth the dawn of creation, illuminating the universe with its first rays of light. This act of creation reveals the inherent power within words. Words are not just mere sounds, they carry the weight of intention and the potential to manifest reality. They are not merely sounds we make, they are forces that shape reality. Every word we utter has the potential to influence the world around us, to build up or to tear down. When God spoke, things changed. The very fabric of existence was altered by his words, demonstrating the transformative power of speech. The universe shifted to accommodate his words. Stars, planets, and galaxies came into being, each one a testament to the creative power of divine speech. This same power resides in us. We have been given the gift of speech, a tool that can shape our reality and the realities of those around us. We too can speak life into our situations, our relationships, and ourselves. Our words can bring comfort, joy, and healing to those we love. The words we use have the potential to create or destroy, to encourage or discourage. They are powerful tools that can shape our destiny and the destinies of others. Just as God spoke life into a void, we can use our words to bring forth beauty, hope, and love. Let us be mindful of the words we choose, for they hold the power to transform our world. Words are the currency of communication, the invisible threads that weave the fabric of our social interactions. They are more than just sounds or symbols, they are the essence of our thoughts and emotions, conveyed from one person to another. The building blocks of relationships, words have the power to connect us, to bridge gaps, and to create a sense of belonging. They are the foundation upon which trust is built and friendships are formed, and the tools of influence. In the world of finance, for example, the right words can secure a deal, inspire investors, and build empires. A well-timed compliment or a carefully crafted argument can open doors that were previously closed. A persuasive pitch, a carefully crafted contract, a motivational speech, these all leverage the power of words to achieve tangible results. But the influence of words extends far beyond the realm of business. Every day we engage in countless verbal exchanges that shape our interactions and impact those around us. A kind word can brighten someone's day, offering a moment of solace or a burst of joy. Conversely, a harsh word can leave a lasting sting, creating wounds that may take time to heal. By choosing our words carefully, we can cultivate positive relationships, foster understanding, and create a ripple effect of kindness and encouragement. Words have the power to heal, to inspire, and to bring people together. They can also divide, hurt, and create barriers. It is up to us to wield this powerful tool with care and intention. In every conversation, we have the opportunity to make a positive impact. So let us choose our words wisely, recognizing their potential to shape our world and the lives of those around us. In doing so, we can build a more compassionate and connected community, one word at a time. Influencing others positively requires authenticity and empathy. It's not about manipulating people to get what we want, it's about using our words to uplift, inspire, and empower. We can lead with light by speaking truth with love, offering encouragement instead of criticism, and focusing on solutions instead of dwelling on problems. When we approach others with genuine care and respect, our words carry weight without being forceful or demanding. Remember, true influence comes from a place of love, not control. It's about planting seeds of hope, nurturing growth, and empowering others to reach their full potential. Words are not simply vessels of information, they are much more profound than that. They are carriers of energy, capable of influencing our emotions and actions. They have the power to uplift our spirits or crush our dreams, to bring joy or sorrow. Words can ignite passion or extinguish hope depending on how they are used. When we speak life-giving words, we release positive energy into the world around us. This positive energy can inspire, motivate, and bring about change. Our words become seeds of hope, encouragement, and love, nurturing those who hear them. Conversely, negative words carry a destructive energy that can tear down and diminish. They can create a toxic environment that stifles creativity and hinders growth, affecting everyone involved. Being mindful of the energy we project through our words is crucial for our well-being and the well-being of others. Are we speaking life or death? Are we lifting others up or bringing them down? The choice is ours, and it is a powerful one. Let us choose to speak words that build, heal, and inspire. Just as God spoke the world into being, we too can speak life into existence with our words. We can speak blessings over our families, our finances, and our dreams. Instead of dwelling on negativity or fear, we can choose to focus on what is good, right, and possible. By affirming our goals, expressing gratitude, and declaring God's promises, we align our words with His power and invite His blessings into our lives. Remember, our words have creative power. Let's use them to speak life, hope, and joy into every area of our lives. Long after we've spoken them, our words continue to resonate. They echo in the hearts and minds of those who hear them, shaping their thoughts, feelings, and actions. Therefore, we must choose our words wisely, understanding that they have the power to leave a lasting impact. Let our words be seasoned with grace, kindness, and love. Let them build bridges instead of walls, inspire hope instead of despair, and leave a legacy of love and encouragement for generations to come. For in the end, it's not just what we say, but the echo of our words that truly defines us.